Welcome to Shen's Big World 2018 time. So I'm doing a video at 5:45 a.m. But these are free special weather statements. A special weather statement for current location is effective until December 17th, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A special weather statement for current location is effective until December 17th at 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Special weather statement is in effect for Bellers of Maryland till 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Service U.S. National Weather Service. Deleted that one. And coming up on my gaming channel soon, let's play Subway Surfers again. Yeah, you see the Subway Surfers I will be uploading on my gaming channel soon. Stay tuned for that on my gaming channel, Jen's Big World 2020 Gaming. Now let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave comments down below, and press the notification bell so I don't miss any further videos. See you.